Did you know that a woman can only embody her feminine energy when there is a physiological mode of safety switched on in her body? First things first, stop bypassing your body's signals. Men can do this because they have higher testosterone, and this provides them with higher capacity to deal with stress compared to women. Women do not have this luxury. Women's bodies have a 28-day cycle with hormonal fluctuations taking place from 7 different hormones. Men only have to deal with a 24-hour cycle which involves one hormone, testosterone. Women are being taught to push through the heavy workload, heavy workouts, stupid diets, heavy stress load, lack of sleep, lack of physical connection to another human being. That's why once stress response is switched on in the female body, the woman starts to use her masculine energy as a protection for survival, while her hormones start to adhere to this unnatural rhythm, wreaking havoc to her metabolism and her fertility. If you want to connect to your feminine energy, what you need to do is stop adhering to the societal standards built for men, by men, and listen to your body's signals. The method I like to use is called H.E.R Formula Method. I developed it 4 years ago. H stands for healing the 7 core traumas to restore safety in the nervous system. E stands for embodiment of the 7 core principles of the feminine energy, and R stands for restoring the 7 key metabolic hormone balance. If you want to learn if H.E.R Formula Method is for you, comment H-E-R.